Sick. Look at this bike.
Sure, let's go that way.
Aprilla. Brembo brakes. Sick. I don't even know how to like photograph this. Probably shoot backside here. Sweet. Let's go to the edit.
I just bought it back on Pinterest. Me and my buddy went, and then I got it 4 hours back. We got the early generation. It's a work in progress, though. So far, so good. That's fun. Sounds a bit like a Harley. A little bit. Doesn't sound like a
I want to take like
pick a line. Oh, the bacon strip, yes! Leaning angle approved. When you get down that close, that means he's leaning over. Oh, yeah. Those tires gotta go though. They're 20-something years old. Oh, really? I have no idea how it's from, 2008, but they are. That's a nice bike.
Thank you.
So you guys are buddies, right?
Yeah. Mostly through social media, but yeah. Yeah, it's what I do online. I find cool cars or bikes I like, take photos of them, and then print them out for the owner. And then film the whole thing for socials. So.
You have an Instagram for it?
Yep. I have a card, I think, somewhere. Handle is by Luke Miller.
BY Luke?
Yeah.
Go check it out.
Oh, thank you.
By the way.
Eden? Hayden, nice to meet you.
You're gonna like it. Have a Italian. Yeah. It's in the shop because it's an Alfa Romeo. Awesome. Yeah, there we go. It's it's very good. It's a terrible photo. Right in the tree. Still learning about it. He tried to move it out of my way.
Dude, I stole it and I got mad.
I thought you were Oh, Raheem! Get up quiz, come. Oh, God.
Really?
Backing up for fun. No, every bike just has
Sounds good. Okay.
Yo! Rakeem!
I mean, I gotta put it on. I gotta put it
Put it
on.
over there. Put the
Yeah. Don't
Oh
worry.
my
Wait,
god.
he needs to clip. Wait, he's cooking.